Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Norasyidah, NPM 1940603017. Lokal Biologi Education, Duty of Teacher Training and Education, University of Borneo Tarakan. In this video, I want to discuss the theme that exists in biology. As for the theme that I will use in the first language, namely photosynthetic, chlorosome, species, trichomes, cell wall, stomata, genetic engineering, sophil, cell, adaptation, transpiration, anatomy, plant morphology, centromer, polysaccharide, gymnosperm, and angiosperm. The first is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is biochemical process for the formation of carbohydrate from inorganic material carried out by plant, especially plant the golden green leaf, namely chlorophyll. Number 2 is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll or green leaf substance is a pigment that is owned by various organisms and is one of the main molecules playing a role in photosynthesis. Chlorophyll gives green plant leaf and green algae the green color, but is also shared by various other algae and some group of photosynthetic bacteria. Number 3 is chlorosome. Chlorosome is a bacterial structure that can be found in photosynthetic bacteria. Chlorosome are found under the plasma membrane that contain chlorophyll and other photosynthetic pigments. Number 4 is species. Species or type is a taxonomic term used in biological classification to refer to one or several groups of individual living things that are similar and can fertilize each other in the group so as to produce fertile offspring. The number 5 is epiderm. The epiderm is a layer of tissue, usually only one layer tissue, that cover the surface of organs such as leaf, stem, roots, and flowers. The number 6 is cortex. The cortex is the outermost part of the plant stem or root that is bounded on the outside by the epidermis and on the inside by the endodermis. The number 7 is trichomes. Trichomes are single-colored or multicolored hair formed from epidermal cell, rugged and denser structures through earthworm and spines, composed of epidermal tissue and tissue under the epidermis. The number 8, the cell wall. Cell wall is the extracellular matrix that envelopes a cell as a protective and forming cell. The number 9 is stomata. Stomata are holes or gaps in the epidermis of plant organs that are green in color, bounded by special cell called cover cell. The number 10 is genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is a technique for producing DNA molecule that contain new gen of interest or combination of new gen, or can be said to be manipulation of organisms. The number 11 is mesophyll. Mesophyll is the tissue found on the inside of the leaf, composed of photosynthetic parenchyma cell, which are also called parenchyma cell. The number 12 is cell. The cell is the smallest unit of living thing, which is the basic for the building block of the body. The number 30 is adaptation. Adaptation is the way in which organisms cope with the pressure of their surrounding environment in order to survive. The number 40 is the transpiration. Transpiration is the process of losing water in the form of water vapor from the plant's living tissue, which is located above the soil surface stored the whole in the form of stomata, stomata, cuticulus, holes, and lenticel. The number 40 is plant anatomy. Plant anatomy or phytoanatomy is the study of the internal component of plant, analogy from human or animal anatomy. The number 60 is the plant morphology. Plant morphology is a branch of botany that study the external structure of the plant body, which can be seen directly. The number 70 is centromer. Centromer, the part of the chromosome that function to regulate the movement of chromosome during cell division. The number 80 is polysaccharide. Polysaccharide are polymer composite of 100 to 1000 of monosaccharide unit linked by glycosidic bond. The number 90 is the gymnosperm. Gymnosperm are plants that have open seed. Gymnosperm come from Greek, namely gymnos, which means naked, and sperm, which means seed, so that gymnosperm can be interpreted as open seed plant. Open seed plants are a group of seed plants whose seeds are not protected in the ovaries. The number 20 is angiosperm. Angiosperm are closed seed plant. In closed seed plant, the seeds are covered by pod or fruit leaf. For example, is mango, durian, and orange. Okay, well, maybe that's all I can see the video this time. Less and more, please forgive. I end. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.